Are you concerned about soaring energy bills? If you live in a house or apartment in the Manchester area with an old gas boiler, it's time to start saving energy now by replacing your old, inefficient boiler with a higher energy ERP-rated boiler. With a compact, wall-mounted ERP boiler, you can gain precious storage space in some cases, and it will heat your radiators and hot water faster. For extra savings on your energy bills, we recommend having the Drayton Wiser Smart System fitted at the same time. We've carried out numerous installations throughout Greater Manchester, and our customers have reduced their fuel bills. We are totally customer-focused with over 1,300 Google reviews. If you are concerned about soaring energy bills, we guarantee when you change your old boiler for a new ERP-rated boiler, your heating and hot water bills will be drastically reduced and you will save money for years to come. To get a free quote, call us on 0161 220 3712 or visit our website www.boilerrepair.net.